Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by installing and enabling the Picture-in-Picture extension. This gives you the Pi-P control overlay. Once installed, click the toolbar icon and allow requested permissions, tabs, pop-ups, and audio, so video can detach. Make sure the extension is pinned for fast access when you need it. If the extension offers keyboard shortcuts, set one now for speed. You're starting the process immediately so you can detach a video window without interrupting your workflow. Next, open the video you want to watch and use the extension icon or your shortcut to pop it into a floating Pi-P window. Once popped out, resize and drag the window to a convenient corner. Most extensions let you toggle always on top, so the Pi-P stays visible over other apps. If playback or captions are needed, switch controls back to the Source tab to change quality or subtitles. The Pi-P will usually update automatically when you make changes. To finish, close the Pi-P window or click the extension to return playback to the tab. That stops the detached overlay cleanly. If the Pi-P window stutters, first reload the Source tab. If issues persist, disable then re-enable the extension or restart the browser. Make sure your browser and the extension are updated, since compatibility fixes often resolve glitches. If nothing helps, try a different Pi-P extension. Some sites work better with specific implementations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.